Hey, hello everybody, this is General Guetta. I'm an endodontist from Guatemala. I have been practicing focus on microendodontics since 12 years ago approximately, and I will be happy to share some details related to my practice. I'm an endodontist, but I also do some restorative treatments because I'm working in Guatemala and sometimes I refer patients from referrals, but sometimes the patient looks for me. The patient sometimes need a root canal treatment, but also will need the restoration. So nowadays, and because of the market in my country, I'm focusing on micro-restorative and micro-endodontics and microsurgical practice. I decided to go for Seiler more than 10 years ago. I noticed the reliability of the microscope, but most important is that the company started treating me as part of the family. The support behind was great. The quality of the microscope, great as well. I started with one microscope and now we have 7 microscopes in my office and we are more than happy with Seiler. And we'll continue working with Seiler for sure.